Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to solve this problem. The given problem is convert the given star connection into an equivalent delta. So how to convert? Let's try to have a look. Okay, so when you observe this problem, so the unknown I had drawn in black color. Okay, so here I'm going to draw the unknown resistor. Okay, so this is the unknown resistor. So how to find this black color resistor is, so this black color resistor is touching two red color resistors, these two branches. So the first branch resistance is 1.67 plus, what is this branch, 5, plus the product of these two, so which is 1.67 into 5 divided by the remaining branch. What is the remaining branch? Divided by 2.5. Similarly, I want to find out this black color resistance. Okay, how to find this black color resistance is, this black color resistance is connected between two reds. What are those two red color resistor? One is 2.5, another is 5 ohm. So first I have to write down 2.5 plus 5 plus, what is this value, 2.5 into 5 divided by, so what is the remaining red color resistor, 1.67. Okay, if you do the calculation then you'll get. So I want this one more branch, so this one more branch I am drawing like this. Okay, so then it will constitute an delta. So how to find this black color resistor? This black color resistor is connected between two red color resistors. What are those two? So one is 1.67, next one is 2.5. 1.67 plus 2.5 plus product of these two, 1.67 into 2.5. So what is the remaining resistor, which is nothing but by 5. Use your calculator, then you can find this value. So this value is nothing but approximately 10 ohms, and this you are going to get it as 14.98 ohms, and this, if you do with your calculator, you are going to get it as 5 ohm. So this is 5 ohm, this is 10 ohm, this is 14.98 ohms. So now this is the formula behind. So I will repeat those who are unable to understand again. So this black color resistor is touching which two red color resistor? One is 1.67 and next one is 5. So I have to write down 1.67 plus 5 plus the product of these two, 1.67 into 5 divided by, so these two are completed. What is the remaining resistor? 2.5. The same formula you have to apply for all the three branches, then you can convert the given star connection into an delta. Hope if you understand my way of solving, please like the video, and if you feel the video is useful to your friends, please share the video, and if you have any doubts about this problem, please comment in the section. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel for more updates. I will be solving more problems. This channel is exclusively designed for the, and it is a free channel for the development of students as well as for the faculty. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Yours obediently, Ram.